This procedure is going to make your printer able to print with cartridges and sys system without chip. The printer no longer asks for cartridges replacement. Ink levels will always display at 100%. Turn on the printer. Connect a USB cable to the USB port on the rear of the printer. Start firmware application. Select USB connection. Wait till update process reach 85%. Then start Task Manager. Go to Application tab. Find Firmware Updater and click End Task. Start the activation software. Choose English. Activate online. Paste the activation key and click OK.